Hi guys, I'm back again. I'm just showing that in my last video, if you remember the fall set that I did where I was mixing gels and I didn't get the right color, and I finally recreated it on myself and got that burnt orange that I was supposed to get, and it looks so pretty. It has single-handedly given me a handful of clients, and I get questions everywhere I go about who does my nails, and it's me, and I give them my card, and that's that. And so I thank the creator of this set on TikTok for jumpstarting my little business. But anyway, we're just going back in today with another fall set. It's a super simple set, and as you can see, I'm only doing 4 nails this time. The thumb was just getting in the way. I won't really do it unless I'm doing something special like last time with the flowers on there. But I'm gonna do Cover Teddy from Nail Prof. It's a little bit darker one that I haven't tried yet, and I am obsessed with it. I think for sure that I want to do it on myself the next set that I do. And the next set that I do on myself is going to be a super blinged out set for the Renaissance concert tour movie. And that's November 30th. Right now it's November 7th or something. So I have a couple weeks before I need to do that set, but I think I'm going to use Teddy on myself. And on this set, again, it applied just like butter. It's a perfect consistency. I love these acrylics so much. I feel like there's a time and place for all of them, even the sheer one and the natural nude. That's really good for like a nude kind of milk bath if you want to do like a really sheer layer of nude with some encapsulations and stuff. But I love Teddy. I love buttercream. Those are my 2 favorites. And I'm just going to cover this acrylic right now, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So that was it. Super quick to lay that acrylic. Of course, I'm only doing 4 nails and I'm not doing super thick. It's just a practice hand. And now I'm just gonna go in and file. And the application was pretty good, so I don't need to do too much. I'm just gonna file the sides, make them super crisp. And then I'm gonna flip that peel and stick file over to the, I think it's 180 grit or 100, and just buff the top a little bit. I think the pink is 80 and the blue is either 180 or just 120, something like that. But I used the pink for a little more rough filing and the blue for buffing. And especially on this practice hand, I don't really get out the e-file too much. There's not really any need. So I just hand file. And again, this is super simple. I only do square on this hand just to make it easy for me. So I'm just gonna crisp up those edges and buff the top, and that's it. I'm gonna go in with the nail art, which is just kind of like a half French in a few different shades of brown. The index finger and the middle finger, I think even the ring finger, but I'm not positive. I know at least 2 of them were just straight from the bottle. They're different shades of brown from Beetles, but 2 of them I had to mix. And I know I had to mix this like mustard yellow. I didn't want it like so yellow. And so I put a little bit of a couple of the other browns in it to make it like more of a, I don't know, like a fall yellow, I guess. Just mix and match and make my own custom shades because they weren't exactly what I was going for. But yeah, I'm just gonna do the outlines of those half Frenches. And then I'm gonna go ahead and fill those in. And I had to do 2 coats of them because the brush that I had was just soaking up all the polish and it was not giving any. So I switched to, I don't know what you'd call it, but the brush that's like super like thin at the end that you would use for like doing an ombre. I guess a blender brush, I'm not sure, but I switched to that. This is what I used to use just to like put polishes on the nail that didn't have a brush already, like top coat in a jar or things like that. And right now I guess it's just old. It's not really giving much return on investment like with the polish. So I switched to that thinner brush that cannot hold as much and it just puts it right onto the nail. So the second coat's really nice. Now you guys know I'm a glossy girl, but the inspo had a matte top coat and I really like the inspo pick. So I went ahead and did matte top coat for the very first time. Unbelievable, but literally it's the first time in my life I've ever done a matte top coat on a finished set of nails. Crazy, I know, but it ended up really cute. And that's pretty much it. Just the half Frenches, matte top coat, and then I'm gonna do another French outline, kind of overlapping a little bit with a chrome polish. It's just a regular polish in a little jar, and you just take your liner brush. I don't have chrome powders. I do want to get some, but I feel like that trend might be a little bit fleeting, so I just got regular silver chrome in a jar because I feel like I'll always use this, especially on myself. So that's me dipping my toes into the chrome trend, just getting a regular chrome in a jar and doing whatever I want with it because I can use a line brush with it instead of just rubbing it on everything. So yeah, that's pretty much how this set is. Just these half Frenches in matte and a chrome overlap French outline. And it's very simple, but it's super sleek looking. And I really love it. And that's the set, you guys. Super simple. This is actually more my style, like a laid back set that you can just admire when you get close to it instead of all the gems and flowers and everything. But you know, I gotta wear my own work and advertise, so that's why I have the crazy set I have now. But let me know what you think and please subscribe.